Hi guys, welcome to the channel, and today we're heading over to Hinckley for Triumph Hinckley's first ever bike night. I'm ready, no sign of Carol yet.
See you at the Triumph bike night.
Tall.
Yeah, you're alright.
Oh, it is tall. Oh my goodness.
Smile, Carol.
It's really tall.
Is it?
Like, that is so uncomfortable.
I don't think it's designed around 6'3", 20 stone, 20 stone fella.
Hey, I liked your video.
You saw it?
You saw it?
Oh,
I didn't know whether you'd see
I
it.
didn't know whether you'd see
I've
it.
had
or
people
not.
ringing me up saying, that was really good, and I've read some of the comments and people have been saying, God, you was lucky like Dick was there.
Oh, we were so lucky to see.
Brilliant. Hey, Carol. That's on the front of that. You bump into the best people at these events, don't you?
Yeah. Right old riff-raff round here, isn't it?
Right old riff-raff. Oh. Carol's got coffee. Well done. You made it. Thank you.
The logo on, look. Yours did have a logo on, but I stirred sugar into yours, so I spoiled it.
We getting anything to eat here?
We can do, yeah. I mean, the cafe's still open, you can get stuff in there, or there's that stand over there. We'll have to go and see what the stand's doing.
We'll see
over
what the
there,
stand's doing in a minute.
And get a hot dog or something. Go and have a look what they got, see what they fancy.
Happy Herefords. Cheesy cow, quarter pounder, £4. Hot dog, £4. Cheesy dog, £5. It's how long it's going to take to get served.
We'd rather just look around the bikes.
Yeah, I think we'll just look around the bikes to get something on the way back. That is going to be loud, you know. That exhaust on it. That is going to be super loud. Forerunner to yours there, Carol, as well. Daytona, look, T595. There's one like that in the museum.
Pardon?
There's one like that in the museum that Dick
Yeah,
Shepherd's
there is,
got.
yeah.
Triton. Lovely. Got the amp meter in the headlight, look. Tell you whether your battery's charging. Drum brakes.
That's cute.
Hey, it's a Grom. Look cute, don't they? But I would look super stupid on one.
Yeah, I don't think they're built for you.
No, don't think so. Yeah, look at that. That looks quite cool, doesn't it?
It does look quite cool.
Look at that seat.
That looks quite comfy, actually.
Yeah, I like it. It's quite a nice paint job, isn't it?
Yeah, it's smart.
Very nice.
I like the Thruxton, but I always like them. They still look so uncomfortable to ride.
Yeah. No, they do look beautiful, don't they? Again, I just don't think I could live with one though.
No, you wouldn't be able to do any distance on it, would you?
I think the Speed Twin would be more my thing,
Yeah.
which is basically that engine, just in a more comfortable
More manageable
bike.
package. Yeah.
Yeah. Now Trident going. It's rather nice, isn't it? Look how narrow the seat looks there. Super uncomfortable. Monster. They look nice, don't they, the bobbers?
They do, beautiful.
Yeah.
Do something in here. People are queuing up for something anyway, so they must do something.
Yeah. Hey, look.
I did see somebody sitting on that actually earlier.
Well, they haven't got any
So I think
signs,
you
so.
can sit on it.
Yeah.
It's quite fancy that, don't you?
Yeah, and that is the one I'd have, isn't it? Go on, pull that.
Ooh, suits you.
Suits me.
It's about the right size for you, that does.
And flat footed, easy. Seats comfy, Carol.
Is it? Ooh, maybe it won't be the new MT10 then, it'll be a Triumph.
Do you reckon the bank balance can stand by one of these?
You have to trade something in. It can't be an addition. Just test ride one.
That's nice. I've got my name down for a test ride on one of these. Yeah. It's a huge TFT screen, look. Looks like that. It's like having a TV. Yeah, easy, isn't it?
You do realise you've got to buy it?
Go and have a sit on this one, Carol, see what you think.
It's lovely.
I think that'll be too tall for you.
I think it will. Yeah. Ooh, tiptoe.
Tiptoe it.
But I wouldn't be comfortable at traffic lights
No.
on that.
It looks more suited to my size, Carol.
I like
Doesn't
what
it?
I've got anyway. I wouldn't get rid of my street.
Have a go on the 660. Hey up, how you doing?
Hello, you all right? Oh,
That's nice, that car, isn't it?
They're both nice. There they are.
he quite fancies that
I
one.
really quite fancy that though. 1200, the new one.
That's still,
nice,
that's just as tall as that.
Is it?
Yeah. It's no good for me.
Yeah, it's on a little stand thing though.
Well, even so. I'll stick with what I've got. I like what I've got. Plus
You've got to get your leg over it.
Yeah.
What's he got then?
The Great Britain one, tank on it.
Go on, show us. Well, I'll get it. I'll get it on my camera while I'm here. Oh, that's beautiful. White wall tyres as well.
Right.
Great.
They will be all right.
Yeah.
Again.
Did you have that paintwork done specially, or did it?
It's a one-off paint job done
Yeah.
by Avon, I gather, but it was done by Avon.
Avon tyres themselves as
All right, okay.
a promotional bike.
Yeah, it's beautiful.
So it's what?
Is that all paint rather than stickers?
Yeah.
It's beautiful.
2017.
Yeah.
It's done 660 miles when I bought it.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
I've had it what, 2-3 months?
Yeah, something like that.
So it's done more than it had on it already, obviously.
No, it's beautiful.
But yeah.
Beautiful job. Well, I see it's got the Avon tyres on it there, hasn't it? So, yeah.
I am not a trickster, this is not a game. Wanna be a hero, 10 minutes to fame. Please just listen. La la la.
Good view, isn't it?
Quite a good view. She's starting to go now. So, Carol, what do you think?
It's been a great night, hasn't it?
I think it's a real big
Really
success for
big
them.
success.
I think they probably need more concession stands for food. The queues have been massive for food.
Yeah, I mean it's the first one, so it's difficult to judge, isn't it?
Yeah,
how
I
many
mean
they're gonna
they've been queuing there and they're still queuing now for,
Yeah,
for a hot
but-
dog or a hamburger.
But
But
it's been a nice night, and sun's coming out now.
yeah, it's been great. And Dick Shepherd starting the bikes up is
Yeah,
another
it's been
highlight.
excellent as
Been
well,
really
hasn't
good.
it? Yeah,
Really
some
nice guy.
good people.
So as far as
Yeah.
bike nights go, we recommend it.
Yeah, been a good night.
Give it a go if you're in the area.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks very much for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.
Bye.
Cheerio. Bye bye.